Hello. If you make it until now, I really want to congratulate you because you are very, very patient and you have the characteristic and personality of becoming a good trader. Okay, so today I know the first video is actually very long, it's about 40 minutes long. Okay, actually I repeated a lot of things inside there, but it it just I just want to teach you some concepts. Okay, so you have to be patient. Okay, because it's all about patience. Okay, it's really about patience. Forex trading is about patience. When you learn something new, it's all about patience. So give some time to the new skill that you actually just acquired, and then just don't rush. Okay, don't rush. Okay. So the second video is actually the part 2 that I want to talk about. Actually, it actually is an extension of the first video. Okay, I just want to continue what I explained to you in the first video, and I want to talk about something about learning. Okay, so like I said, learning is really about patience. You have to be patient when it comes to learning something new, because you need time to understand the concept, you need time to learn the market, you need time to understand why certain thing works this way, and you need experience. Okay, most importantly is experience. It's not about theory, it's about learning something new and then apply it. Okay, and then start asking me questions. Okay, why certain thing work this way, why is it that, why is this. Okay, the reason why most people lose money, I think, just it's also same with me, is because instant gratification. My journey took so long is because I always want to look for fast money. I always want to make big money from forex. Okay, so that actually lengthened my time. Okay, also because I did not have a group of friends who actually become full-time trader, and during that time I did not have the money, and I did not have a friend also who actually could teach me forex trading, and then nobody sharing with me, all these things. And then actually I started out okay, making good amount of money with the right mindset, making money. But then later on it got scammed because joining MLM, people show you that they make millions from forex trading, and you can too, by just investing in these robots. And then you get certain fees, introduction fees, if you bring a friend, if your friend join. And then so when the bubble bursts, they start paying commissions from your deposit, and then suddenly they just can't pay anymore. Okay, that is when you lose all your money. So I lost a lot of money from MLM, so I don't really encourage you to do that. Also, instant gratification also lost me some money also in forex. I think the whole journey was so long is because of instant gratification. So I started to started to change my mindset, and then starting to think like probability. Actually, I know all these things. Okay, it's just that I do not want to accept it. Okay, I just my brain just reject the concept. Okay, because I just want fast money. But this is actually a big mistake. Okay, big mistake on me, that I want the result to come very fast. Okay, actually what I realized is that throughout the year, the faster that you want the result to come, the slower you get there. So you have to be patient. Okay, the reason why I learned so much, okay, within this 1 year, is because I start to take things slow, do it slowly, steadily, start to understand, start to looking at the same thing at different direction, start to talk to people about the same concept, and see whether people are actually believing the same thing. Okay, see whether people are having the same opinion or not. Okay, so this is how I improve my trading. Okay, so you need a community of traders that can actually teach you. But maybe you might not have that community. That's why you can actually that's why if one of my friends just text me, just ask me, I hope that I can help you. You know, if I don't get an answer, I'll go ask somebody else, because there are so many traders. I have so many traders right now who are trading full time. I can get their answer easily. It is not that difficult. Okay, most of the beginner questions that I get, actually I can answer easily. It's not something that is difficult. It is the mindset that I cannot change. Okay, so you want to learn, okay, then apply the new knowledge, okay, and then start asking questions. Just take a piece of paper and then just write down, take notes on all the concepts, and then look at charts, or maybe look at your trading and see how this concept can actually apply in your trading. Okay, so today I want to share this formula with you. Basically, this is not my opinion. Okay, many people actually have spoken about it. That is, your trading success is all based on you. Okay, it's all on you. I can't really make you profitable, okay, but I can direct you to the right direction, okay, but it all boils down to whether you actually believe in me or not, or you're doing the things that I actually suggest to you or not. Okay, so in trading, 60% is all about psychology, okay, and then 10% is about technique. So technique is about the trend, entry, the wave, if Benjamin know already, I already explained to him. Maybe another video I'll do the wave again, and then the math, how the market work using move using math, okay, and then another part of and another thing is something like what divergent price actions, candlesticks, okay, all this actually comes to technique. So the second portions of your trading success is actually the risk management and position sizing. So through proper risk management, you can you make sure your losses are equal, are smaller, and then your profit actually bigger than your loss. Okay, that is through position sizing and risk management. And then you can actually in your risk management, you can add something. If you do journaling, you find certain pattern that you always happen, like maybe if you're too tired from work, and then you always make not very good decision or something like that, you can actually do this kind of thing to limit your risk, okay, or limit the number of trade that you can take every single day, okay, because remember that your outcome is random, okay. If you just wait and then trade the second day, you have another random outcome again, and then wait and trade second day, you have random outcome again. So this is trading plan, okay, trading plan, also risk management, also position sizing, all together. You can learn all this from me, but the 60% is something that I cannot teach, which is the psychology. So like I said, in the first video, okay, sorry, not the first video, in the first few slides, I already mentioned to you that trading psychology is the main reason why it took me so long to actually become successful, and start seeing profit, making some profits, okay. So because I want fast, okay, I want it fast, and I try to be independent, okay, but I was actually very foolish, okay. I thought that forex trading can actually make me a lot of money, like those people, like team sites, right? Like team site make 1 million from what, few 10,000 or something like that. So I was so wrong about that, but then and it's not to say it is impossible. It is actually possible, but not for beginner traders, okay. Unless you're following the right person, and then you get proper guidance. Otherwise it will be very difficult, okay. So it's not like very difficult, it's easy. It's just that too much information on the internet, and then you do not know who to follow, okay. People start flowing in, start spamming the internet with all the money that they make. So you don't know who is legit and who is not, right? So that is why just stay away from those people who actually show you with their Ferraris of money and cash and all that. Just stay away, because those people, unless they know what they are doing, and you can understand what they are saying, and you can agree whatever they say. Otherwise, just stay away from them, because those are toxic people, or those are the people who are your distraction, you know. So because there was so much distraction in my trading journey, that's why it took me so long. Okay, so there are four main areas in your belief systems. Okay, your psychology consists of a lot of things, mainly belief system. Okay, your limiting belief is what cause you is what it is the reason why certain things don't work your way. Okay, so there are three main area. I just type it wrongly. So there are three main area. Okay, um there are three main area in your belief that you need to you need to solve. Okay, so the first thing is your family. Maybe your family just don't support you. They do not like you to trade forex. You know, like me, they don't really like, you know, they don't believe in speculative activities, and they do believe in hard work. Okay, maybe your family don't support you, or maybe you have a health issue like cholesterol, diabetes, and this kind of thing. Okay, you have to go and focus on those are your problem first. Okay, once you solve your problem, and then come back to forex, and then start to think how you actually can make it better. Okay, if you don't solve all these problems, you won't make it. Okay, it's quite difficult, because these are the distraction that can cause you that can cost you a lot of money. Okay, so nothing is your finance. Okay, maybe you think that you need more money to make money, or something like that. Okay, or maybe you think that you can make money because you come from a poor family, or something like that around. But you have to maybe you are fearful, maybe you are conservative, you are from a conservative family, and you're not accustomed to take this kind of risk, you know. These are things that you have to work on yourself. Okay, so whatever you believe, right? Okay, you actually reflect in the market. Okay, if you are a gamer, like play a game, it won't reflect in the gaming world, because you know, no matter how good you are in gaming world, if you know, some people are very good at gaming, but then in life they sucks. Okay, they are not good in life. Okay, there are also people who are good in gaming as well as in life as well. These are good example. But most people playing game, okay, just to avoid the just to avoid the real life. Okay, the real life is just very tough. They just can't stand it, so they want something that can release their stress. So that's why they look for gaming. So that's why I don't really play games anymore. Is because I do not want to try not to be avoidance. Okay, and then try to really face all these challenges and problem myself. Okay, so that is why that is how you actually deal with all your psychology. Okay, so I can give you few solutions. You can actually search for Rainer. Okay, just go online, Google. Okay, search for Rainer. He talk about psychology as well. Maybe Tony Robbins. Go get his book. There are two books that he have: is Awaken Journey Routine, and then the Unlimited. What is it? What is this book? And the Unlimited Power. Okay, so these are the two books that you can actually so these are two books that you can actually read. Okay, just take some time to read, and then also another thing that you can do meditation. There's one app that I actually do. It's called Happify, that makes me better. I can actually change my life. Okay, totally change my life. Okay, so I would say trading psychology, your mental strength is what that I work on for the past I think 2 to 3 years. Not 3 years. I think more than 3 years. It's 3 to 4 years maybe. You know, surrounding myself with different type of people who are very successful, and then start learning from them. That is why, you know, this is a game changer for me. Okay, so like I say, this is the that is the first one is the 60%, and this is just only the 10%, 10 to 20% that is going to help you, which is firstly trend, support resistance, okay, divergence, okay, other indicator like RSI, stochastic, moving average, all these things that you can actually implement, and then your trend line, your Fibonacci, okay. Remember that there's nothing that do not work here. It is you that is not working, okay. It is you that is not working, okay. So we know that without applying all this technique, we will not get we will not be profitable, okay. So applying this technique, okay, we'll call it filter or maybe conference, okay, improve your trading probability and improve your and then improve your performance. That's how you make money. So you have to apply the technique for you to actually to make money in the market. You have to have time your entry, you have the time you exit, okay. This is where you make your money, okay. So another thing is risk management and position sizing. Like I say, so I just want to share with you very quickly for the past 5 years what is actually working for me, what is not working for me, okay. What's not working for me is very simple. It's just martingale. I tried it, martingale, few times, and then this year I actually margin call. Last year I make money, make 200% last year, was awesome, very good, okay. Happy ending. Thought this year I could make more money, but then actually it caught me because market suddenly changed and I lost everything. So lost about $2,000 over there. So it's no job, okay. So don't do it, but it is okay. I'm okay with the loss because some is profit, some is my basically my capital, okay. So I started with 500, grow into 1,005, then after that lost it all when I grow to 2,000. Yeah, it's just life, okay. It is just life because I don't use stop loss. That is the problem. I use martingale, and I use no stop loss, okay. My floating become very very big and then I lost it all, okay, lost everything. So what is working for me right now is actually using stop loss, probably proper position sizing, and then I look for filter to filter my trades, okay. Has been working well for me. I back tested the system. Now I'm doing forward testing. I want to get more sample, okay, with live account, and then after that I want to optimize and then increase my position sizing, okay. That is why you see I'm doing all over again, okay. Something that I tell you, but I do redo it myself because I did not follow good risk management, okay. So now I have to redo everything, okay. So use stop loss and proper position sizing, okay, and that way you can actually improve your probability, okay. So so why you need to implement risk management? Because it prevent you from losing all your money, okay. It really prevents you from losing all your money. You know how you need to know how to set your stop loss and how to set your take profit, and then at the same time you have to allow your average winner to be bigger than your average losses, okay, average losers, okay. And then risk management can actually lower your drawdowns, okay. After you collect data, you'll be able to know how what's your drawdown, what's your profit, and then your trading frequency, your winning rate, your losing rate, and this kind of stuff. And then based on that data you adjust, okay. You collect and then adjust, you optimize. That way you can actually improve your profitability, okay. So position sizing allow you to reach your goal at the same time reduce your risk, okay. So example, you want to go from 1,000 to 10,000 in 1 year, okay. Through position sizing you can actually do that, okay. I'm not gonna talk about it in this video, but then because it is a very big topic. But what you need to do for beginner is that you can actually, if you're not seeing good results, okay, just be patient. I'm doing the reason why I throw this out is because I want you to know that, hey, you can do it. Do not worry, just focus, okay. So another example is that for 1,000 to grow to 10,000, maybe in 5 months or less, okay. This is when you become very very good, and then you can actually become full-time trader, okay. Already can become full-time trader, right? Imagine that you just put in $10,000, okay, which is around 50,000 ringgit, and then grow to 500,000 within 5 to 6 months. Can you become profitable trader? Can you become full-time trader? Of course you can easily, okay. So these are the useful website that I found. I hope that you can actually just go through this. Okay, there are beginner, there's this beginner university, you know, in babypips.com, and then forex factory also. There are few trades that actually you can actually go and dig it out, but then or maybe and also some news also, just learn basically all about forex, you know. So this is the website that all the forex trader will actually know. Okay, and then the second one is my FX book. My FX book allow you to actually to let me open and show you what is my FX book. Okay, so my FX book, FX book allow you to actually to track your performance. Okay, so you want to know your drawdown, your data, all this kind of thing. You can actually, you see, this is my copy trade so far. Okay, so you'll be able to track your performance. Okay, you see the drawdown 6%. That's awesome, man. Every month 27%. Monthly make me monthly 20%. And then this is my profit. What else? Yeah, you can see I win 86, so total 86 trades. Okay, so 86 trades. Okay, so this guy has taken 86 trades. Okay, like I say, you need 50 trade to make sure that to check whether the person is actually profitable or not. Now he has taken 86 trades. Okay, so 86 trade, and the what is it, and the return. Okay, you can see this is a return that he gets. So so actually it's quite good. You know why? Because the drawdown is so low, and you take 100 trade, his return is about 0.8. Okay, which is like holy grail, to be honest with you. It is way higher than that I could actually imagine. Okay, it is way too high. Okay, I don't know why it is so high. So it's 0.8 R is crazy. Okay, it's like holy grail, man, this one. I think also some luck. I think, I'm not sure why his R is so high, but then yeah. So this 0.8 R. Okay, if you look at the trading expectancy table by Vantab, okay, say that, okay, if you're a beginner trader, just aim for 0.2. Okay, so we are in average. Okay, 0.2 R, you're in average. So you get like 0.29, you're good. So 0.8, okay, so 80% for close to 80 trades. Okay, that is actually 0.8 and higher. Okay, maybe his risk is actually not 1%. Okay, so that's why his expectancy is higher. So this is actually very good. Okay, I don't know what is the average risk, but then actually quite good. Okay, so what we aim for is actually about 0.5 or 0.6. Okay, 0.3, 0.5, you're excellent, you're good. At this point of time, you can actually become very good, profitable. Do not need to aim for 0.6 or 0.7 or better. It is not necessary. So you can see here, this is my forex book. You can actually see what's my drawdown, what's my profit, you know. So this is the thing that we need. Okay, so you can link this, okay, to a system, to an account, and then you can check. Another way, so you have your standard deviation, profit factor, Sharpe ratio, D-score, expectancy, all this kind of stuff. Okay, your best trade, you know, summary, which time, which time, what is the time that you that he enter his trade. Okay, you see, duration 5 hour. Okay, what is the probability of loss? Okay, so 0.8%, 0.1% that he will lose 40%. Okay, but he need to lose 15 times. Okay, consecutively, you see. So these are the kind of data that we want. Okay, so based on this data, then we can actually collect so based on this data, then we can actually improve our trading. Okay, then you can go to Charigo or KL Invest. This is a Chinese website, you know. A lot of people teaching you how to trade forex, you know. Charigo also, you can go there. It's something like forex factory, but this one is this two is Malaysian version. This is like global. Okay, so I think that is all that I want to share for today. Hopefully this is helpful for you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.